Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, I'm going to show you all how I got this perfect wash and go look using my Better Length clip-in hair extensions. So this company reached out to me so that I could try out one of their clip-in hair extensions, and guys, they literally make clip-ins for every hair type, from straight hair to kinky and curly hair, ranging from 3A all the way down to 4C. So when I found out about this, I was super excited to try this out. I've never seen clip-ins for curly and kinky hair types, so yeah. And they also specialize in U-part wigs as well. So I'm gonna leave all the information down below so that you could check this website out. And if you guys wanna see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Quick side note before we move on to the video. So I just wanna quickly announce my winner for my giveaway. And the winner is, drum roll please, Scooby Girl 13. Your comments really stood out to me about your natural hair goals, and most importantly on how you wanted to inspire your two little boys to embrace their natural hair as well, and their kinks and curls, and to also embrace women who rock their natural hair as well. So thank you so much for that comment. It was really inspiring to me as well, and thank you for sharing that with me as well. So I hope you enjoy these goodies that I'm going to pack for you in the giveaway. So you're gonna get the Tangle Teaser detangling brush, of course, and I'm also gonna throw in my hair cleanser as well so that you could try it out on your hair, and it's also safe for kids as well so that you could try it out on your boys too. So thanks again for entering, and thank you for all the other people who entered as well. This is definitely not going to be the last giveaway. There's going to be tons of giveaways in the future, and I'm going to have bigger prizes as well. So to Scooby Girl 13, just reach out to me. You can either comment below in this video so that I could exchange information with you so I could ship these out to you as soon as possible, or if you have my social media accounts like Instagram or Facebook, you can message me there as well. But just reach out to me so that I could have your information to ship these out to you. So thank you again guys to everybody who entered the giveaway, and without further ado, let's move on to the video. Alright guys, so to begin, I started off by detangling, and I sectioned my hair into 4 prior stepping into the shower. And before I do anything, I'm gonna rinse my hair with warm water. This is gonna help to open up my cuticles so that I could better absorb the products that I'm going to put in. So first up, to cleanse my hair, I'm gonna use my very own L'Oreal Essentials African Black Soap Hair Cleanser, and I'm just putting in a good amount until I get my desired lather. Now, if you're going to be doing a hairstyle that requires a lot of heavy product, I would suggest that you make sure to cleanse your hair thoroughly, especially if you have low porosity hair, so that you could prevent getting product buildup. This African Black Soap Hair Cleanser works great at cleansing the hair and clarifying it without stripping it of its natural oils. This cleanser also provides a great slip, which will leave your hair feeling much more manageable afterwards. So I'm going to leave the link up top and in the description area down below where you can purchase your very own bottle. Alright, so moving on, this is how my hair is looking afterwards without any product, which explains why it's looking hella dry. So to prepare my hair for my leave-in and such, I'm going to section it into 4 sections. Starting in the back, I'm going to take my bottle of water first and just spray that section down so that my hair is nice and damp. Next, using the lock method, I'm going to start off with my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, and just taking a dime size amount, I'm going to distribute it along the entire section. And for my oil, I'm going to follow up with olive oil, which is my personal favorite because it's right in the middle. It's not too lightweight and it's not too heavy of an oil. And lastly, I'm going to take my Shea Moisture Curly Enhancing Smoothie and run that along the entire section. And to ensure that the products are evenly distributed, I'm going to run my Debon brush along that section. Now this part is optional, but I like to take my q-redew hair steamer and steam my hair. this assures that my hair fully absorbs the product, and it also gives me added moisture retention and curl definition. This is a trick that I would highly recommend if you're having troubles with product absorption and low porosity hair. And of course, I'm going to repeat those same steps along the remaining sections. So moving on to the hair, I chose the Kinky Curly Clip-In Hair Extension set, which are for curl types 3B to 3C, and it comes in a set of 10, which includes 5-row clip-ins, 4-row clip-ins, all the way down to 2-row clip-ins. So as you guys can see, I already started off and I added the clip-ins towards the back. So I'm just going to show you guys how I prep my actual hair. So starting off with my main choice biotin gel, I'm just going to take a decent amount of product and rake it along the entire section. And for my roots, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel, and this is the olive oil one. And I just like to put it along the roots to keep everything nice and slicked down. So to get some of that curl definition, I'm going to take my edge brush, and using the comb side, I'm going to use it to do the shingling method on my hair so that my curls could pop out. This is personally one of my favorite ways to get my curls defined. It just works for me. And once I'm done prepping my hair, it's now time to add the clip-in. So I shampooed and co-washed it beforehand so I could loosen up the curls, and I'm just going to attach it on top of that section. And once I'm done, I'm just making sure that the clip-ins are nice and secure. So that's basically all I do, guys. I just section off my hair, apply my gels, do the shingling method to get curl definition, and once I'm done, I take my hair clip-ins and pop them in. So now that I'm done applying my clip-ins, I just left a little bit of my hair out in the front, and using those same steps, I'm going to define my curls so that I can match the texture of my hair extensions. So clearly you guys can see the white residue, and I know it's kind of looking bad right now, but I promise you, once my hair dries, the white residue will go away and it will dry clear. So for this wash and go hairstyle, I wanted to have it off to the side. So taking my comb, I'm going to use the rat tail end of it to create my side part. And to assure that my edges are nice and slicked down, I'm just going to apply some more Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to brush it down a bit and use a bobby pin to secure the hair. So once I was done with that, I just did my makeup real quick off camera, and this is how the hair is looking like, guys. So I wanted to blend and define my curls a little bit more, so I took the water bottle and wet the hair a little bit and continued to do the shingling method on the places that I felt need more curl definition. So now that I finally got my desired style, this is how my first day hair is looking like. Now, obviously, it's not dry yet. It took about 4 to 5 hours for my hair to air dry. And moving on to day 2, the hair definitely got bigger and more voluminous, and to give it more added volume, I just took my Afro pick and just picked out the parts where I wanted more volume. I definitely love the wash and go style on second day hair, because as you guys can see, it looks much bigger and much more voluminous, and this style lasted me about a week. So that pretty much concludes my wash and go, guys. I thought that this style was super cute, and it was also very easy for me to refresh my curls as the days went on. So overall, I must say, I really love these clip-in hair extensions. They look so natural. They were super easy to blend in with my hair, and I think this could pass as my real hair. Like, if I'm out on the street, I don't think people could clock me with this. So that's definitely a great plus. And I can't even front, I was kind of skeptical at first because I didn't think 10 clip-ins would be enough to fill in my entire head, but it definitely filled out. It gave me the desired volume. I didn't have to do anything extra to it. I didn't cut it to like shape my head or anything. I just popped them in and I just went about my way. So yes, I will highly recommend these clip-in hair extensions. They're super easy to work with, like I said. The only thing that I must say, when I first received the hair, it had a weird smell to it. It had that factory smell to it, but after I washed it with shampoo and conditioner, the smell went away. But that's the only downfall. It had a weird smell. I can't even front. But other than that, everything about this hair is just A1. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.